Hey, welcome back to another My Two Good Hands video. Hey, we're working on the pond. We're going to be putting boost and knockdown defense on all the green you see along the edge here to try to kill that stuff. We did this twice already. The first time we didn't video it, heck, we could hardly row across it because it had this real thick stuff and all this stringy stuff from the bottom. You'll see now with the aeration we started and everything, we'll be able to pedal around with the paddles pretty good. It's a little tough at shore here. But we're going to go down there and we'll just kind of come around and get the stuff along the shore. It's going to be pretty nice. Don't forget, use the Amazon links below to shop with all these products we're using. Plus, it helps support the channel. Even if you're not going to do this, click on the link, go to Amazon, buy something else. It helps support the channel and we appreciate it. We're going to go get our sprayer stuff. We'll show you how to fill it up and then we'll bring it down and charge it with water. So hey, we're up in the garage right now. We're getting ready to mix some stuff for our pond. We are going to be using knockdown defense and boost treatment. You can see these are already used part way. When we started, the pond was totally green and it was that thick stuff. I mean, you couldn't swim in it. I wore a life jacket in my boat because I was afraid I fell out in 5 foot of water. I'd drown because if you can't stand up and you can't swim, you're going to drown. So I've done a few treatments already. We're going to be doing another one now. When we get down to the pond, you'll see how much it's improved. Plus, if you watch the aeration videos, we're aerating now too, which is good. We just ordered another product called Muck to start cleaning up the stuff on the bottom that's causing a lot of this growth. Working with the pond guy. Don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on. Use the links below to shop on Amazon. So that'll help support the channel and get more videos. So let's get started on this and show you how we do it. So we've got a sprayer, pump sprayer. Take the top out of that. You do want to wear gloves. I'm not going to wear gloves because I've done this a bunch of times. But when you first open these, they are really hard to use without spilling them. So the way this works is you tip the bottle like this, and you can get it to go up here. It's kind of difficult, but you can kind of shake this like this and bring it like this, and you get 2 ounces in here. If you read this, it'll tell you to mix this, okay? 2 ounces per gallon. There's a 2-gallon sprayer. If you're going to fill it with 2 gallons, you're going to do this twice. So we're going to do this twice. And then what you do is you come up here. Well, we spilled a little on the outside. Not good, but we come here and we just kind of get that in there. We kind of do this again. Oh, let me come over here. Open this up again. A little better that time. There we go. And that's that one. Now we got a couple more applications in here. And when you get down there, you'll see we're going to go around the edge and just get duckweed. So that's that one. Same thing with this one. We like to shake it a little bit. This one's thicker and melty. The problem is it's real hard to see in here. So I just kind of give it this type of thing again. Bring it up like this. When you open this up, you can kind of look in there and see where the fluid is and say, yeah, okay, I got the right amount. And kind of get it in there. Again, put the cover back on. You'll find that both of these tell you on the back how to mix them. Again, this one is the same ratio of 2 ounces to the gallon, 2-gallon sprayer. So just kind of shake it like this. It's not like some of the other ones that are easier to use, but it works. And we're going to take it and do this again. Okay, there you go. We're going to take you down to the pond, get you ready, get our life jacket and everything together. What we do is we don't put this topper in until we put water in here. If we put the water, any drippage up here, we'll wash it in. So let's get down to the pond. So what we like to do is put our hose on shower, and we can come here on top and make sure we rinse any loose on there, anywhere off before we take it to the boat and get it filled up. Now somewhere on here it tells you where you're full. It's right here where it tells you where you're full. And the 2-gallon mark is out right here. So Just come in here and fill her up. If you spray it in there real hard, it'll go everywhere. It does foam a little bit. There you go. So, because you won't be able to see that when we're down at the pond. So we got this ready to go. We're going to get you set up to see the pond. From previous videos, we know that you are going to lose the sound trick when they get way out of the pond, because we are going to be beyond the Bluetooth range. So let's move the camera as close down there as we can. See what we can do there. Get you down there. So here we are down here at the pond. Gonna get our boat tipped in the water here. We're full of branches in the boat because we did a little trimming earlier. But get this in the water. It's in the water. Get our jug in. We have not pressurized this yet. But we will in a minute. Get the oar out of the way. Get that in there. That's where we get us in there. Whee! Of course, get the rope all wet. And make sure we get this up so it's not dragging the water. So what we're going to do is we're going to go around this way. Going to kind of get us away from shore a little bit. The way this works, you can probably still see me and hear me. Don't pump it a lot. And then, I don't know if you can see the spray come out, but that's the spray coming out. We just kind of spray as much as we can here. We just want good heavy coverage. And we can feel the wind starting a little bit. So you always want to make sure that the wind's at your back. Okay, so that's got that section. Now we're going to move along and go over this way and get some more. See that muck on my paddles a little still. Still a little muck here. And this way. Okay, so I can stay there. Okay. Again, now we can start spraying. This here is the muck that was covering the whole pond. Got rid of a lot of that. It's actually hard to get to the duck because it's in the current. You should get the throat got kind of tangled. That's why it's sitting. There we go. Good news is when I stand here in the boat, I'm actually standing at the bottom of the boat. Oh, let's see if we can get our boat up now. So there you go. Thanks for watching my two good hands. That's how easy it was to put that stuff on. A lot of rowing and what have you. Much easier now. When I first did it, I couldn't row because of all that growth from the bottom. We've killed all that. Matter of fact, when the paddle's going straight down into the water, I can see that whole paddle all the way into the water. When I started, you could only see about this far in. So water's getting cleaner, so that's great. Hey, we're gonna bring the boat up, wash it off and what have you. But we'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Post notifications on My Two Good Hands will save you more money with more fun home how-to projects. You got a pond, little maintenance, might make it look a lot better. Haha, just when you thought I was gone. I clean up this boat a lot. A lot of stuff in this boat. I got my one board crooked too. But I got all kinds of twigs from tree trimming and what have you. Got to get this out, rinse this all off, hose off the boat. Start with the boat. Get the boat up this way. We're gonna strap these oars in place. Tip it up like this. Let's get the rope out of here. Scuff it now. Start. Now we'll let this dry here. There we go. We're all good. Oop. Make sure your pressure's out before you break this loose and get a face full. Turn it real slow. Now I know the pressure's up. Now I can wash these parts off nice. Wash this off good. What I do is I get this full, rinse it a little bit, and fill it out, and put some more water in here. Put the water in there, put this back in, pump it. The idea here is to get this water to come out clear like this, so you know you got all the parts in here, get all the chemical off, and turn it on and off. Here you go. Now we're clean. Take this and let the pressure up real slow. Here we go. Ready for our next time. We're going to put this stuff in the garage.